12 jurors have deliberated for nearly 12 hours to decide the fate of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr. In a trial that lasted more than a week, Professor and Associate Dean of Academics at Cooley Law School, Tanya Kraus-Phelan, says she is not surprised the jury is still deliberating.
So, in a case that was a week long, right, and the judge went full days, it would not be unheard of for deliberations to last anywhere from 2 days to the full week, right?
Around 3 p.m. on Tuesday, the jury told Judge Christina Mims they are deadlocked. The judge gave the jury what is called an Allen instruction, where jurors were asked to deliberate one last time.
As you deliberate, please keep in mind the guidelines I gave you earlier. Remember, it is your duty to consult with your fellow jurors and try to reach agreement, if you can do so without violating your own judgment.
The jury has to deliberate on a voluntary manslaughter charge introduced Monday. Kraus-Phelan says the lesser charge could be common ground for jurors who may be split on second-degree murder or acquittal, or it could be a curveball.
Then you listen to, like Mr. Borgula said in his closing argument, he's like, look, why do they want you to consider this less serious charge? Because they're worried they didn't convince you of second-degree murder, so they're hoping you'll come back with, a less serious charge.
The jurors were sent back into the deliberation room after the instruction, where only jurors are allowed to make sure there isn't any interference in the process.
I wouldn't be surprised if there were some very pointed, if not heated, conversations about what the appropriate outcome in this case should be.
If there is a hung jury, the prosecutor will decide if there will be a retrial, reduced plea offer, or dismiss the case. As you can see, people are still out on the sidewalk behind me that we've been seeing, every single day since this trial has started, and we are all awaiting a verdict to come in the next coming days, and we'll keep you updated on when that day comes. Live at the Kent County Courthouse, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.